Okay. Hey, hi. This is Vishal, and let me tell you something about discipline, because there is a lot of thought being put together in discipline. So if you want to achieve something, you really need to be disciplined enough to do it repeatedly. Once you say, I would be getting up at 5 o'clock daily, I would be getting up at 6 o'clock daily and doing my routine, or doing my workouts, or doing my study, or on any of the tasks. Now I have to be disciplined to continue on daily basis. So that's how the discipline goes across, right? Being disciplined on food as well. Don't want to eat something, I would not be eating. Do's and don'ts, and then we judge if I'm disciplined or not. But that's totally not what it needs to be. Discipline is not about being on task, on time, or doing do's and don'ts at given point in time. It's no. I have heard this from one of the philosophers. I have read it as well, and it stays with me. It's about discipline comes from the word disciple. And what the disciple means? Disciple means a person or student who learns. So if you say, I want to do a given task, I want to get up early in the morning, and if it doesn't happen, do you really focus back of the reason why it is not happening, and then go across, right? So that's how it is. If you are aware enough, you will be learning them. Learning like a disciple is discipline. Discipline is all about behaving and learning like a disciple throughout the life, or given task. Let me give you an example. If you pass a resolution that I need to work out well, I need to eat clean, good food, and that's not happening, I would still say, if it's not happening, do not judge yourself, because that is the last thing you should be doing. Rather, you should be learning like a disciple, asking yourself, why is this not happening? Because at the time we make a resolution, and then over the time passes on, the resolution drops away, because we judge on a given day. If it is not happening, you judge and then you drop the resolution. It should not happen. Rather, you should give more thought on why it is not happening, and that would only happen when you behave like a disciple. A disciple keeps the learning soul going ahead. So be like a disciple, and then the discipline will follow for sure. Being disciplined on the facts that you need to get up at a given point in time. If you want to get up at 5, you daily get up and do your workouts, or have certain foods that would keep you healthy. Or if you want to pass an exam or prepare for an exam, and then you need to get up at a particular time, spend in those many hours. But if that's not happening, the last thing you need to do is judging yourself. Do not judge yourself. Rather, ask yourself a question: why is it not happening? Learn, be aware about your body, because life is not all about judging yourself. Life is all about ups and downs. And if you see the other environmental factors as well, let me take you an example. If you go on a beach, or if you go on a hill station, how do you feel? You feel good, right? Why do you feel that way? Because you are free there, you breathe well, there is a good amount of air coming in. And with our daily routines, we see a lack of that happening. Right? So you need to understand these environments as well, and provide a space where you would be able to be disciplined, right? And then leave it upon the other factors to keep yourself motivated and inspired to work on your resolution. So if you want to be disciplined, be disciple, keep learning, and I'm sure you will be disciplined. And with discipline, you would achieve the task that you want to achieve and be successful. So guys, last thing but not the least, do not judge. Do not spend time on judging and telling yourself that I'm not good. No, it's not that. It's about just the learning, why is it not happening, and make it happen for yourself. I have made it happen for myself. There are times when I go across the borders of my resolution at times, but I do come back and focus and jump on. That's all. That is what life is. So jump back, get going, keep thought of your resolution, and I'm sure you would be there. Stay disciplined, stay focused, stay like a disciple, keep learning. See you.